Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Kitchen, another episode, another new recipe, and today's recipe is spicy potato sandwich. It's a very easy sandwich recipe which you can make within few minutes and pack it for your lunch, or you can give it in the tiffin of your kids. They're going to love it. So without skipping the video, watch the entire video and also press the like button and share with your friends. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. Now start making potato sandwich. First we are going to make the stuffing. For that, in a kadhai I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil and I'm going to use butter as well, 1 tablespoon of butter, but you can just use oil if you want, but butter will definitely enhance the taste. Next goes the veggies: half of medium onion, 1/4 cup of French beans, 1 small carrot, 1/4 capsicum, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 green chilies. All of them are finely cut. Now the butter and oil is nice and hot. First goes the onion. We're going to saute it over medium flame for 2-3 minutes. After 2-3 minutes we are back. Now add the green chilies, chopped green chilies and chopped garlic, and fry them for few seconds as well so that the rawness goes away. Next, the French bean, which I have cut into very small pieces. Now saute them for 3-4 minutes over medium flame to soften them up. Next goes carrot, which are thinly shredded. Add them. Add salt according to taste at this stage. This will help in the softening process. Next goes capsicum. All the veggies are cut into very small pieces so that they soften really nice. Then goes 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix them. Next goes the potato. Here I have taken 1 large potato which is boiled and mashed. Now I'm going to mix it with the vegetables. So it's nicely mixed with all the vegetables. So our stuffing is ready. Cool it down for few minutes. Now here I have taken 4 slices of bread. I'm using white bread, but if you want to use brown bread you can use it. Now apply butter on both the sides. I'm using butter on both the sides because this will enhance the taste and the crunchiness, but if you don't want to use so much butter, you can definitely butter one side, the outside, to make it crunchier. Now I'm going to add some tomato ketchup. This will give the sandwich a tangy taste. And on the other half, I'm going to add the stuffing. Be generous with the stuffing. You can use cheese if you want, at this stage. Now put the other half over this one. Press it a little bit. Then I'm going to toast them in the sandwich maker. If you don't have sandwich maker, you can grill them in a tawa. Place them for like 2 minutes and they will be done. So after 2 minutes you can see they are nicely grilled. Remove it on a plate. I'm going to cut them in triangles. And I'm going to show you how they look. Doesn't they look absolutely delicious? Serve it with some ketchup, or you can serve them with some green chutneys as well. The choice is yours, but I'm going to serve them with ketchup. And our spicy potato sandwich is ready. Isn't it healthy, tasty, delicious and kids friendly recipe? So do make this recipe for your kids or for yourself or your family, and let me know in the comment section about the feedback. And don't forget to like the video and share the video. And thank you for watching.